Winning and losing has a place. That's called consequential competition. I want there to be winners and losers in sports, in the Olympics, right? I want that. But in school, no. We can have fun with scores as long as they have no consequence. Because as soon as we set you up to win and lose, top 5 schools get this reward or this kind of recognition, then why am I gonna share my good stuff with you? Right? You get a bite of my bread. I don't, like, this, you know what I mean? And that's what happens. And then you get some principals with some really strong practice don't want to share with other schools. And so we all want to win in here. If we want to kick some other districts, but I know, I'm gonna pray tonight. We kick some other districts, but that's fine. But there can't be any competition in here. Right? We have to raise all boats.